Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I think everyone is doing fabulous. So I'm doing great. So in this video, I wanna share something. It's really serious thing that I also suffocated for that. That is none other than happiness. And sometimes we are feeling happy, and sometimes we are facing trouble. Sometimes we are broken. Sometimes we feel upset. So why this happiness going us to us? Okay, so if you want to know the secret, or I mean the why this thing is happen with you, and why always problems is coming like with you. So if you'd like to know, this is not only your problem, this is the global problem. Everyone is suffocating for that, everyone is facing the trouble. Suppose sometimes you are passing some happy moment, happy memory that you have captured, but after that you are saying you are like facing trouble. This is common thing. Allah always give you the two things, happiness, and after that sad thing, it's sad moment. It can be, but it's by your happiness Allah like, this is one kind of exam, happiness and I can say like sad moment, how you are overcome, or how you are what type of patient you have. So when you have patience and you can recover your troubles, I mean any problems, how you are like how are what type of adaptability you have, and how can you adapt with this problem. So that is like, this is the way like to test yourself, and that exam is given by our almighty Allah. So if you are facing right now troubles or frustrated about life, that what you will do, and what will be your careers, and how can you get money, and your someone is going over there, I mean they are not connected with you, so never be upstate. Okay, so this moment is not, this is not stoppable moment. The life is dynamic, everything will change. Just you have to take little time, and you need to believe yourself, you need to believe almighty creators, then Allah will fix everything. Just be patient and keep keep trying to do something for your life. Okay, so and try to understand the purpose of life. What is the purpose of life? Whenever you will get your purpose of life, then you can get you will get your happiness, and this is the secret to become happy. And how can you overcome this problem? Okay, so by the way, as I'm sharing, so I'm also sometimes suffocating, and whenever I lost anything, and after that I feel really sad. But I believe Allah, that Allah will fix my all problem. So day by day I'm getting my happiness. And so as I said you that this is the exam. So if you would like to overcome this exam, you have to be patient. Okay, you have to be like patient, and you should trust on Allah. So then you'll get your happiness within short time. So by the way, that I'm sharing today. So this way I'm practicing, as you know, guys, that this is the way to practice for myself, as I am showing. Someone for they over there, they are just they are just observing my talking, how I'm practicing, and they become really sometimes surprised how I'm practicing. This is the strategy of mine, that this way I'm practicing. Okay, that's all for now, guys, and be patient and keep trying to get your purpose of life. What is the purpose of life? Okay, so try to involve with positive thought, positive word, and positive minded people. That's gonna help you a lot to talk your dreams, and so you'll get your happiness. That's all for now. See ya. I love it.